In this video, I'll show you how to prepare for the Jupiter 2026 crypto airdrop and how to check for possible Solana ecosystem rewards safely. Jupiter is one of the biggest decentralized exchange aggregators on Solana, and its JUP token is connected to the Jupiter ecosystem. The official Jupiter website also has an airdrop checker where users can view claim history and pending airdrops by connecting a Solana wallet. To get started, open your Solana wallet, such as Phantom, and make sure you have some SOL available for network fees. You should only use the official Jupiter website because fake airdrop links are very common in crypto. Next, connect your wallet to Jupiter. Approve only the connection request, and never share your seed phrase or private key. A real airdrop checker will never ask for your recovery phrase. After connecting, look for the official airdrop or portfolio checker section. This is where you may be able to see whether your wallet has claim history, pending rewards, or future eligibility information. To improve your chances for future ecosystem rewards, focus on real activity. For example, you can use Jupiter to swap tokens, explore supported Solana features, and participate normally in the ecosystem. Some airdrop guides mention that user activity and previous interaction can be important, but eligibility rules can change, so nothing is guaranteed. Always avoid websites or social media posts that promise instant free JUP, guaranteed Solana airdrops, or special private claim links. These are often scams designed to drain your wallet. Before claiming anything, double-check the website, read the transaction details in Phantom, and reject any transaction that looks suspicious. Remember, airdrops are never guaranteed. The safest strategy is to use real platforms, stay updated from official Jupiter channels, and protect your wallet at all times. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.